Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a haul. I have a package in, but that's not coming in until Tuesday. So I'm gonna first start with Marshalls. So, first thing we have is a yoga mat. Oh, I do work out at home. Bro, it smells so bad. Anyways. Let's see. Oh, but it looks like this. That is nice. Hopefully I'll work out more. Listen, I got a lot of sports bras. Yo, I don't know if I want to show you guys these. Whatever. So, first I got this one. Kidding. So first I got this Calvin Klein one. Okay, then I got this Adidas one, which I really like this one. This Adidas sports bra. I got this like shirt. It's like not really my style, but it's more like a casual, like businessy shirt. Then I got this shirt. It's just like a workout shirt, and I really like these ones. I like the tighter fitting shirts. I just feel like more comfortable in them. At Walmart, I got a lot of craft supplies, so I'll show you guys that. First, I have got this white cardstock because I really like to draw, but I just wanted some like better paper and stuff. Then I got new curtains because I currently have red ones, which I don't really like, and they're like really dark. As you guys know, if you watched my last video, one of my facts was I used to be obsessed with duct tape. They have come out with so many new tapes. Pastels are my trigger, okay? Look at that. That is beautiful. And then I saw this. I did not need this. Like, I don't even, neon green, like, I don't even use that. But no, I bought it. I need to stop. I have an issue. Next, I got this lip balm. This brand, again, I love this brand. You guys know from my last video, I love this brand. These are like the more craft supply stuff. Got some paint, and I got these bigger tubes of white and black because it's more worth it. I'm kind of running out of these colors. Some red as well, and then I got some glue stick because I'm completely out of glue sticks. Got this basket. Yeah, this is really nice actually. It was like $2 I think. And I've actually decided to include the unboxing, so let's flash to that. Hello. So this is Charmaine in the future in PJs because my package came in. I'm gonna continue this haul. This stuff is from Rue 21. Let me tell you, there was a lot of things on sale. I first have this. I bought a lot of stuff for Christmas because what I like to do the week like before Christmas break, I like to dress up every day with a Christmassy outfit. So I got this cardigan. This ho ho ho. Got these leggings. What's up, Colin? You wanna join? No, describe these leggings, okay? Look.
They're Christmas.
Christmas, okay. Bought these pairs. I don't know if I like this sweater. Oh, ooh. Okay, looks very wide and just cropped. This is like a tie-dye shirt. That's but it is cute. It's like a nice sweater type of deal, long sleeve. This next one is a striped one, and it's just off the shoulder. Oh, that's actually cute. I cannot wear this to school though. What is this? What is this? Okay, so this is like the cami. That's cute.
More my
Yale shorts. Nice cute cami. We'll see. I think this was also, don't know if this style will look good on me. This is a bodysuit. Never worn one. Probably not the best choice for me because I pee a lot. But the reason why I got it is because I needed free shipping. But also, it says Harvard on it and it's tie-dye. That was everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And if you haven't watched my last video, be sure to check it out. It will be linked at the end. Bye!